Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Imtiaz and this is the 5% Club. This is another market analysis video, so let's get right into it. Okay, so if you guys see, market's been rallying pretty good, and unfortunately there is no opportunity because market's been gapping up. We have discussed this already. If market is bullish, it is it is kind of tough to capture it, okay? But always remember I've told it gaps up more than twice, that means it is bullish. Okay, so here you see this is a good range which got broken here. Here I did not enter, it's because it was already almost at its all-time high, and today I did not have a trade in Nifty. But Bank Nifty, we are still holding the same profit. We are holding the same position with a very big profit. Okay, so let's see our actions for tomorrow. So now 22,000 and 22,100 is a very crucial level. Okay, market has tried to pass it but it's come back down again. So tomorrow if I get a level of 22,085 to 22,100, okay, I'll be definitely looking forward to buy. There might be a pullback, or if it gaps up I have to see the price action only. If it gaps up, if it gaps up somewhere here, I want it to if it gaps up like this here, I want it to come down and then start breaking this high. Only then I'll be making new positions. That is, if it gaps up, it will be gap up here. It has to go down, go up, come down, and then break this. That is, this high has to be taken out. Only then I'll be looking forward to buy. Okay, so these are my actions for tomorrow. Or this is the level. Okay, for now I'm not looking forward to sell anywhere because the market is positive. There is no use of seeing it the other way. Okay, next is Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is at good resistance level now, so it's better to hold this. And if you see a very good M pattern on top, I will be shorting it. I'll be closing my positions. If you see, we have few resistance here. Yeah, these are all very important resistance lines. But as of now, we are holding this profit. So tomorrow I'll be adding more position if market opens flat somewhere at 840, 8,220 somewhere. I'll be keeping my SL at this. Now I have my SL currently at this level. That is 4815 is where my SL is exactly. Okay, 4518 is where my SL is, like this. Yeah, here's where my SL is now. I'll be entering here and my SL will be exactly on this below this resistance. Okay, and my target will be 48570 somewhere. Okay, so but I'm not looking forward to sell anything as of now, even in Bank Nifty, because it is positive. Why to look the other way? It's okay. And next is US oil. So US oil, if you see in 4-hour time frame, this is a good pattern. Okay, so this is the pattern. Let's go to daily and show clearly. This is a good pattern, a triangle pattern. Okay, this is a good triangle pattern. If you see, almost 4 times it has been touched, the top has been touched, and bottom 4 times it has been touched. And what happened is market came to this support, and it went up. Now it's taking a good resistance. Okay, so if you see in 1 hour candle, this is a good bullish candle. That is the only reason I entered it. This is where I entered my stop losses here. So I'm expecting a target of $73.50 and above. Okay, I have entered at $71.60. Okay, so this is my view for US oil. Next is gold. Gold is at its one of very crucial level. If it surpasses 2060 and above, I'll be definitely looking forward to buy it, and my stop loss will be at 2050. Okay, so and my target will be at 2085. These are targets for gold. We have 4 stocks for swing trading. First is Voltas. Voltas has already given us a breakout, and this is a very good resistance level. If you guys see in a weekly time frame, that too. Weekly time frame, if you guys see, this VIX does matter. It has given a breakout. I'm expecting a pullback. If I get a price of 1035 to 1060, I'll be definitely looking forward to buy the stock, and I'll be holding it because it has already taken an upper move, so we can definitely hold it. Next is Mangalore Ref and Pet. Okay, MRPL is the next stock. This is on a monthly time frame. On a monthly time frame, this is a very important resistance level which has been tested twice. Now it has given a breakout. I'm expecting a pullback. Once I get a good pullback, I'll be definitely trading it, because this looks like this is not that strong candle. So I'm expecting one or two red candles here. After that, I'll be entering it. So if I get a cost price of 162 rupees, my stop loss will be moved to 150 150 or 152 rupees. Okay, and the upper side momentum, we don't know, we'll be trailing our stop losses. Okay, so let's go to the next stock. Next stock is Zuari Industries. Zuari Industries in a weekly time frame. So this is a resistance which has been breached. It took time and then breached. Okay, here some accumulation has happened, which is a good sign. It has breached. We can definitely look forward to buy it post 240 rupees. Okay, about 240 I'll be buying it. My stop loss will be at 215. So this is how I'm looking forward to buy in this stock, and my first target will be 320. This will be my first target. Yes, this wick does matter. Okay, this will be my first target. So let's see how it works. Last one is Suvin Life Science. Suvin Life Science also in weekly time frame. This has been tested the second time. Now this is a pullback. In a daily time frame, if we see, it's a very good pullback, and it's kind of a hammer. Okay, so the prices what I'm expecting is 120 rupee or 120 rupee or 117, somewhere around that. If I get that price, I'll be buying it, and my stop loss will be at 108 or 109. And target upside, I don't know. We should only trail stop loss, because as much as the stock goes, you have to go until unless it hits your trailing stop loss, or it hits your actual cost to cost or stop loss. Okay, so that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys got some information on my plans. This is just my view on market, how I'm gonna trade it. This is not a tip or a recommendation. Okay, just use this as a reference. That is the only thing. Right, so thank you so much. If you guys like my content, please like, share and subscribe. I'll be giving this kind of content every day. I'm working on strategies and new things, so that will be coming up shortly. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.